Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to easily unsubscribe from Empower. First of all, open the Empower app on your phone and log in to your account. Go to account settings. Once logged in, tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From there, navigate to your account settings, then manage subscription. Scroll down until you find the billing option. Tap on it and you will see the details of current subscription plan. Then, to cancel your subscription, tap cancel subscription and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You will receive a confirmation message once it's complete. If you have an Empire card and or autosave account, they will transfer any remaining balance you may have to your linked external bank account after all pending transactions have settled. And that's it. You have successfully unsubscribed from Empire. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.